The dirt jump has perplexed me for quite some time now. Not only the building process, but the riding as well. And some might just let it go. But do you remember the Call of the Wild, that old Jack London story about the domesticated dog forever longing for the unknown? Well, I am that dog, and the dirt jump is my wild. And today, my owner dies, and I set forth into unknown territory. It is common knowledge that the Egyptians were the first to take flight, bringing that early steez. And it is also said that the Egyptians were great mathematicians. So I set out to design the perfect beginner dirt jump using ancient methods, like math. And I found it! What is the perfect beginner jump, you ask? A tabletop, 3 foot tall, a 30-degree arc, 11 foot in length, lip to lip, and 10 foot wide. So what do I mean by a 30-degree arc? Well, let's throw up a square and say it's 8 foot by 8 foot. The arc will be our takeoff, so add a line from point to point and then curve it. Now, if you put a line straight through the center of this arc, it should be a 45-degree arc, or a 45-degree takeoff, which seems to be what I accidentally built. But if you come down a little bit, you'll have a 30-degree arc. This is apparently the ideal arc for beginners to progress on, but I'll leave mine at 45 because it's already there.
Okay, I think we got it perfect. That's like dynamite.
For the gap distance, you're going to want to go 8 to 10 feet from lip to lip. But if you're going downhill where you can gain speed, then we can easily make this a little bit longer. I chose 11 feet just to give me a little something to work towards, and because I've got a bit of a slope where I'm gaining extra speed. As for the landing or the transition, I went with a 12-foot run out, which is double my bike length for plenty of room of overshooting. You might be wondering why the hell you should take advice from me on how to build dirt jumps when I can't even ride one. Well, lucky for you, most of this advice is coming from a forum that is all about dirt jumps. I will put the link below in case you are curious. And hey, hopefully I'll be able to ride one by the end of this.
Let's test it. Sadly didn't get it, but there is tomorrow. I'm gonna get up early and get at it. This is day 2. I'm out here, it's close to raining or something. Really windy, really gray skies, but I am determined. Oh my God, I did it. Holy shit, I got it. It feels awesome. I'm gonna keep going. That felt so fucking good to finally get. It just clicked. Oh, yes, yes, yes.